bags of mini brands that I recently picked up. It had this in it. This is Mini Brands Create Master Chef. It had a few interesting things to it. There's a resin that it comes with, and then the chef hat is like a UV light. And it had the noodles and all sorts of things to like create your own noodle bowl thing. It's kind of an interesting idea, but there's a few other choices that you could pick up, or a few other little recipe things that you could pick up in the Mini Brands Create line. I'm not really sure what the cardboard thing is, so, whatever. This is like a little cake stand. This is that UV light I was telling you about. Interesting. I don't know if I'm going to get any use out of that. This is the resin. I don't know if I'm ever going to use it or anything, but it's interesting that it's in a pretty cool little container. This is the bowl. I actually like this bowl. It's really nice. And then there's the noodles, and then the nori, which is like dried seaweed. This part of it was the I think the meat and the boiled eggs. Comes in this pretty cool little container. The meat and eggs are actually look like 1/6 scale. Also had this cool looking pair of tongs, which I think will be cool for other things, maybe even scientific loadout. I'm kind of disappointed that the chopsticks were fused together, so they're not like a pair of chopsticks, which is pretty disappointing. But we can make our own chopsticks. Then this was the green onions package. I think this has a lot of potential. I really like the idea of having food items where it can really sell a scene. I really like it for the bowl and the chopsticks. Again, I could probably make my own chopsticks. The little food items are interesting. These eggs are pretty detailed for as small as they are, and they look like they would be close to 1/6 scale. The tongs are not too bad in size. I think they'd be useful for more than just food items and whatnot. Also came with instructions for the UV light thing. This set comes with resin, so there's instructions on how to use the resin in all sorts of languages. And I think this set is really cool. I like all the little individual items and things that come with it. Hey guys, how's it going? So on Instagram, I had someone contact me about creating some video assets for him, and in exchange, we agreed to do digital trading. So I make video assets for him, and he's been making some music for me. And you've probably heard this new one. And also this one, which I'm putting at the end of the videos. Chasing buried dreams, chasing buried. I'll be making a kind of a music video slideshow thing for Chasing Buried Dreams. It is one of my favorite ones that he's created so far. So I hope you enjoy it. Well, that's all I have for you. Let me know what you think. Do you like these Mini Brands Creates? Let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to click that like button and share this video if you know anybody who can use it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And always, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. We'll see you in the next video.